You are watching Quick Review. In this episode of Quick Review we're talking about the top 5 best 3D printer of 2020. Let's get started with the list. At number 5. FlashForge Finder 3D Printer. The FlashForge Finder is the perfect starter 3D printer for amateurs, hobbyists and 3D printing enthusiasts. It is compact with a minimalistic design, nothing too flashy or complicated. The speed of the printing is fairly average, oscillating between 40 to 200 mm per second. The onboard memory is 4 GB, spacious enough to transfer files using an USB cable, and then simply untether the printer from the PC. The printing quality is on par with the reasonable pricing, which should not exceed any casual 3D printing enthusiast's budget. At number 4. FlashForge Creator Pro. FlashForge Creator Pro beats many expensive professional 3D printers in terms of print quality and reliability. Dual extruder allows users to print in multiple colors as well as with 2 materials at the same time. The software provided by the company is easy to learn and can be used for generating automatic supports that are highly reliable. The printer also offers huge customization when printing the models. The overall design and performance are much better than the asking price of the 3D printer. At number 3. Dremel Idea Builder 3D Printer. Dremel Digilab 3D20 Idea Builder 3D Printer is Dremel's most reliable low-cost 3D printer for hobbyists, tinkerers and other users new to 3D printing. Easy-to-follow quick start guide and detailed instructions will help you begin printing right out of the box. The printer is designed to print with PLA filament onto a non-heated build plate that uses black build tape to help your prints adhere to the build plate. The simple design of the printer along with Dremel support team will help you succeed at 3D printed, even without prior experience. The software allows for customization of 3D models, and the best part is that using the onboard software, you can use it as standalone printer. At number 2. Anycubic Photon UV LCD 3D Printer. The Anycubic Photon is an affordable next-level UV LCD resin printer which is perfect for doing small detailed parts. It comes with a 2K LCD masking screen that gives very fine printing details down to a few micrometers. The printer has a unique resin vat which is designed for FEP film to adjust the tightness, and it results in much smoother details. You can use this 3D printer in baby toys, garden tools, jewelry making, medical applications, dental applications. At number 1. Baibo 3D Printer with Dual Extruders. 6mm thick aluminum frame gives the Baibo a sturdier feel than plastic. Included laser engraver makes it easier to print metal, bronze, bismuth, and carbon fiber. 2 extruders can print 2 identical objects simultaneously to save time. Full-color touchscreen and resume functionality in case of power outage. If the filament spool runs out during printing, the machine automatically pauses for you to load in a fresh spool. Wi-Fi control allows you to control the print via a phone or PC over the internet. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.